Hi guys, this is my ingredients for my quick easy pancakes. I'll go ahead and add 2 eggs into my milk. I'll also add half cup of sugar into the mixture. We'll whisk until the sugar has dissolved, and then I'll add that into the flour, which I would have already added a half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Whisk until the consistency is nice and smooth and there is no lumps. Alright, so then I'll place the batter into my measuring cup for easy pouring into my pan. Guys, I do apologize for the lighting in this part of the video as I'm still getting used to my new camera. Yes, so there you have it. I'm placing that into the pan, giving it a nice little swirl, and I'm waiting for the top of the pancake for all the bubbles. There you have it. Now it is time for us to flip, and it is nice and golden, and I'll repeat this process until all the pancake is done. Let me show you how I do another one. I'll pour the batter in same way as I did the first. I'll give it a little swirl. Listen, the shape doesn't matter. The taste of this pancake is exceptional. So for this, I usually would add a piece of butter in the pan, and that would crisp the edges of the pancake, make it nice and juicy and crispy, you know. All right, so there you have it, my beautiful, delicious pancake. If you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section. Share this video. Thank you for watching. Do enjoy the rest of your day.